tubig sa nami karon diri sa Spearfish Small Falls. Paingon pa mi sa Spearfish Small Falls. Dayon dito Lantaw Adventure. Summer Adventure. To all my friends in Philippines, miss you all. See you for 5 years. For 5 years. It is birds. This area is a good habitat for birds. A snag is a dead tree that is still standing. It creates good habitat for birds. Gooseberry, scarlet elderberry. Oh, yusa kay sa kuan ay else. Gauna-una silang dulayla. Biyaan ako nila ba? Wahaha! Nothing to do. Just go around. Look at the many falls here in South Dakota. More place that it's very fantastic. This is my first time I go around there.